Students, welcome to Animax tutorial. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, and if you like the video, please like and share. So students, yesterday we have learned about exercise 14.1 and we have solved some of the basic problems of the exercise 14.1. So today we are going to start up exercise 14.2. So in this exercise we are going to learn about mode. So right, including mode, we are also comparing that interpretation with your mean, arithmetic mean also, right? So first the question is find mode and the mean of the given data. So means we are here in this exercise we are taking two values, means we are finding two values of the given data. Now class interval is given, frequency is given. So before going to find a mode, so the mode in basically to find mode, as per the definition, the highest repeating number of frequency is nothing but a mode. So in this frequency, what is the highest number? So 23 is the highest number. So just underline this complete value, right, and denote this as F, that is highest frequency. Next, for mode, if I write the formula of mode, the formula is L plus N by F1, sorry, it's L plus F minus F naught by 2F1 minus F naught minus F2 into H. So there is a formula to find mode. So in this you need what is F1, what is F2 and what is F0. So already we got the highest value. The highest value is nothing but F1. The highest value is F1. So this is highest value. Next, F0. F0 is nothing, as per the definition, F0 is preceding frequency. Now here preceding frequency, this is F0, and F2 is nothing but succeeding frequency, that is 14. This is F2. So like this we got all the values of F. Next, what is L? L is nothing but the lower boundary of the highest class frequency, means lower boundary means this is. So I can denote this as L. And H is nothing but the difference between the class interval. So here we are writing F0, L is nothing but 35. Next, F1 is 23. Next, F0 is 21. Next, F2 is 14. And H is nothing but 10. In between 20 and 30, 25 and 35. So these values we have to substitute in this formula. Now if I substitute, you will get here 35 plus F1. So F1 is 23 minus F0 is 21 divided by 2 into 23 minus 21 minus 14 into H. H is nothing but 10. Now if I multiply, you will get 35 plus 23 minus 21 is given as 2 divided by 46 minus, if I add these two, you will get 35 into 10. So you will get that 35 plus 2 divided by 46 minus 35 is 11 into 10. Now multiply this 10 with 2, you will get 35 plus 20 by 11. Now if I divide this 11 with 20, you will get 11 ones are 11 point. Next balance is 9, you will get 8. So I can stop here. Answer is 36.8. So like this we are finding the mode of the following. Next, in this problem they are also asked what is mean, right? So to find mean, as per the formula, so mean is nothing but A plus summation Fi Ui by summation F into H. This is the formula to find mean, right? Next, to find that you need here X value, that is mid value. To find every mean you need X, as we have done in the previous one. Now in between the 5 and 15, now here you can write as 5 plus 15 is nothing but 20. Now 20 by 2 is 10. Now the middle value of 5 and 15 is 10. Now add 10 here, you will get 20, next 30, next 40, next 50, next 60. After getting the mid value, assume any value out of this. Now if I assume this A as 40, the particular value of A is 0 and remaining is minus terms and here plus terms. Now as per your mean, you need Fi Ui, means multiply frequency and u. Now 6 3 is a 18, here 22, next here 21, next here 0, 14, and here 10. Now add this, you will get 24. Next add all these minus terms, 10, 11, next here 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, means 61. Now if I subtract this, you will get here so here you will get minus 37. So like this you got a value of FIUI, and the total frequency is 80, right, if I add all this. Next, substitute in this formula. Now here if I substitute in your formula, assumed mean is 40 and summation FIUI is minus 37 divided by summation F is 80 into 10. Now if I cancel the zeros, you will get 40 minus 37 divided by 8. Now if I divide this with 8, 8 4s are 32. 32 means 5 is balance. If I keep decimal point, 50, 8 6 are 48. Now you can write as 40 minus 4.6. Now subtract this, that is 40.0, 4.6. Now if I take carry, you will get 9, here 10. 10 minus 6 is 4, here 5, and here 3. So approximately you will get 35.4. So like this you are finding the mean value of the above data. Okay, so your next second question is find mode of the data, class interval and frequency is given. For this mode you have to find what is the highest frequency of this value. The highest frequency is 61, so just underline it and denote this as F1. Now the preceding values F0, succeeding values F2, and this value is L, that is lower bound, and difference between these two is 20. Now substitute your formula, that is mode is nothing but L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now if I substitute L is 60 plus F1 is 61 minus 52 divided by 2 into 61 minus 52 minus 29 into frequency is 20, height value. Now if you will get 60 plus 61 minus 52 is somewhere 9 divided by, now 61 2 is nothing but 122 minus, if I subtract the add these two, you will get 90, 9, 10, 11, 11. Sorry, this is 38. 38 means you will get 90 here into 20. Now here you will get 60 plus 9. If I subtract these two, you will get 32 into 20. So just multiply, cancel these two with your 2 table, that is 2 tens are, next 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Further again we can cancel this, 2 8s are, next 2 5s are, so you will get here 60 plus 9 5s are 45 divided by 8. Now divide this with 8 table. Now here 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48. So here 5 balance, 8 6 are 48. So I will get 60 plus 5.6. Now if I add, you will get 65.6. So this is the value of mode, right? Okay, so next problem is find mode and mean of the data. Now class interval is given and a frequency is given. Now to find, first you find what is mode. So in this mode you have to find what is the highest frequency. So the highest frequency is 10. So I can write this one as F1 and the preceding value is F0, succeeding values F2. So this is value of L, right? Now substitute in your formula, that is mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now if I substitute, L is nothing but 30 plus 10 minus 9 divided by 2 into 10 minus 9 minus 3 into H. The difference is 5. Now 30 plus, now 10 minus 9 is 1 divided by here 20 minus 9 plus 3 is 12 into 5. Now here 30 plus 5. Now multiply into 5 ones are 5 divided by, if I subtract this, you will get 8. Now divide this value. Now if I divide this with 8, you will get 30 plus you will get approximately 0.6. So your answer is 30.6. Like this you are finding your mode. Next you have to find the value of mean. To find mean you need your mid values. Right, now how to find the mid values? Add these two and divide with 2. Now if I do it roughly here, so 15 plus 20 by 2 is nothing but 35 by 2 is approximately 17.5. so here first mid value is 17.5. now the difference between these two is 5. now add 5 here, you'll get 22.5, 27.5, 32.5, 37.5, next 42.5, 47.5, next 52.5. next you have to find the assumed mean in this value. Now if I assume this 32.5 as A, wherever they have taken A as 0, next remaining -1, -2, -3, here 1, 2, 3 and 4. next you have to take Fi and Ui, so multiply F and U value, that is 3 3s are 9, next 8 2s are 16, next 9, here 0, 3, 0, 0, 4 2s are 8. now add all this. now here 8 plus 3 is 11, minus next 9 plus 9 18, so 18 plus 16 you will get 34, that is minus 34. now if I subtract this, what you will get here? 34 means minus 23, right? so this is my Fu value. now after getting a Fu value, add this value of F, because we need summation F. now if I add all this here, 11, 20, 30, 30, 35. now your summation F is 35. now substitute in your formula. now if I substitute in your formula, so mean is equal to A plus summation Fi Ui by summation F into H. now A value we have assumed as 32.5 and summation Fi Ui we got as minus 23 divided by summation F is nothing but 35 and total H value is 5. now here 5 7s are 35, that is 32.5, minus into plus is minus 23 by 7. now divide this with 7, you will get here 7 3s are 21, 2 balance, 7 2s are 14 and so approximately you will get 3.2, that is 32.5 minus 3.2. now if I subtract 32.5, 3.2, here 3, here 2, 12, 12 minus 3 is 9, here 2, so you will get 29.3. so like this you are finding your mean value. Okay, so next fourth problem, find mode of the data. in this number of cars and frequency is given. number of cars is nothing but a class interval and frequency is nothing but F value. so here you need to find the value of mode. so mode means you have to find the highest frequency among all these frequencies. so highest frequency is 20, just you underline it. now 20 is nothing but F1, the preceding value is F0 and succeeding value is F2 and this is your lower boundary. so this is complete your values. now substitute in your formula, that is mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, right? now if I substitute, L is nothing but 40 plus F1 is 20 minus 12 divided by 2 into 20 minus 12 minus 11 into H is nothing but the difference between the class interval is 10. now here you will get 40 plus 20 minus 12 is 8, here 40 minus, if I add these two you will get 23 into 10, so you will get 40 plus 8 into 10 is 80 divided by 40 minus 23, you will get here 17. now here 40 plus, divide this with 17, 17 4s, next point you will get balance, you will get approximately 7, so you will get 4.7, that is answer is 44.7, right? so hope you people have understood all these problems.